Hi, I'm Dave Whalen from HammersmithRecords.com. Today I'm going to talk to you about the delay or the latency that happens when you record guitars direct. I love tracking guitars direct because it gives me the ability to capture a clean signal in noisy environments, as well as the flexibility to shape the guitar tone as the tracks come together using guitar amp plugins or hardware. Either way, the guitarist needs to hear the effect to be able to play the track the best he can. While direct tracking is incredibly convenient and flexible, latency can make it frustrating and unproductive. Latency is the time between when you play your instrument and the time when you hear it from your speakers. I have a mic here capturing my guitar, as well as a direct signal running through the system so you can hear the delay that can occur. This is what high latency sounds like. As you can see here, I have an amp simulator as an insert, which is providing my guitar tone. The fact that I'm monitoring through my system to be able to hear this plugin is the reason for all the latency, which is about 100 milliseconds, which I'll show you here. If you look right here, 49 and some change plus 48 and some change is about 100 milliseconds. Now I'm going to reduce the latency by changing the hardware buffer size. We're going to go to Devices, Device Setup, and I have a Sapphire by Focusrite. So I'll go to Sapphire, I'll hit Control Panel, and you can see that the buffer size is at 2048, which is pretty big. This buffer can be great if you're working on a large project and your computer is having trouble handling all of it. But as you can hear, for direct tracking, it's a huge distraction for a musician trying to capture a great performance, which is the most important aspect of any recording. So I'm going to lower the latency to 512, which is the default setting in Cubase. And we'll close that. And as you can see, the latency, combined input and output latency, has been reduced to about 30 instead of 100. Now listen to this riff with a 30 millisecond delay instead of a 100 millisecond delay. Now, if this delay is still too high, you can go lower, but keep in mind it'll put more strain on your CPU, potentially causing clicks and pops if your machine can't handle it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.